Hello there, and thank you for visiting Dino American in the Philippines YouTube channel. We have an unboxing to do today. Here's one item. What could be in there? Yes, of course, it's from Lazada. Taco Bell taco seasoning, flour tortillas, and refried beans from Lazada store, which made it quite expensive to make burritos. Alright, whoops. Here's another container from Lazada. Package. So you get a two for today. 1, 2. Or in Philippines we call this isa, 1, and duha, that means 2. So these two items have something in common. They work together. You know, I'm not like the larger YouTube channels. I only have 418 videos, viewers. And I don't get a whole lot of views for some reason. But anyways, so I have to go and adjust the camera up and down or left and right myself. Luckily, the camera connects to my phone so I can see if it's at the right position or not. And what video that I'm seeing. So that makes it easier. Alright, let's use my Leatherman tool that I brought with me from the United States. Here's the first item. I'm going to open this one up and give you a little bit of time to kind of think about what these two packages have to do with each other. Yeah, it's very sharp. I'm using a serrated blade on there. Come on, open up. It was very sharp. My gosh, enough plastic wrap, huh? Jeez. 20 layers of plastic wrap. Ah! Finally! Oh my god! Look at this, huh? It says it's made in China. Imagine that. Most everything is. Snack maker, healthy and tasty. Oil free. It's a hot air popcorn popper. So basically they kind of self-clean. You don't have to worry about that either. That's what's nice about these things. You just pour your popcorn in there, turn it on, and hot air. All you do is put your popcorn here through the chute. There should be at the top like a measuring scoop. So you put a whole measuring scoop in there. It'll fall to the bottom. Now that measuring scoop also serves a second purpose. You can actually put your butter in there and melt it while it's popping the popcorn. There it is. So did you figure out what might be in here? I think the popcorn popper with the shipping cost me 650 pesos. Alright, wait for it, wait for it. The second package has, it would be kind of common sense I would think, popcorn. Theater style popcorn. From the USA. This was another, I think, 450 pesos. Including the shipping. 1 kilo of popcorn. That'd be 2 pounds. I think tomorrow or maybe sometime today we'll do some popcorning with the new popcorn popper, and we'll do a separate video on it. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it.